first scene, who was shown mercy? Remember the first scene was the lion, and how he was shown mercy, and he got a glimpse of what was nice to happen. He kept that up. Okay. Second scene, who was shown mercy? The girl who went to the party, and the guys who tried to rob her. There were no cops. There was mercy. So we always look at the person who the story was about, but there's always some other stuff going on. And mercy is not just working with behalf of one person. Last thing we look at. The last scene, did you see mercy there? Did you see mercy here? Did you see mercy here? I want to read something. I didn't see this until today. We were looking for these scriptures. It says, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. But 2 chapters later, it says, all the paths of the Lord are mercy and truth unto such as keep his covenant and his testimonies. All the paths of the Lord are mercy and truth unto such as keep his covenant and his testimonies. We'll do this one first. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me unto such as I am the one who is keeping his covenant and his testimony. I'm not changing scripture. I'm saying what it. We can expect, as God's children, we can expect God's mercy as long as we are doing. Now here's the strange thing. Sometimes we are just not in his will. We may still be in his plan, but not his will.
All right.
Because his plan is broad. It's not linear. It's all kinds of stuff going on. And so even though we're not walking in the will, but none of those 3 people were walking in the will of God.
Right.
But his mercy. I found another scripture today. I didn't find it. I read it, and it kind of stuck out to me. It says, I will give mercy to whom I will give mercy.